In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join tables in Microsoft Access. If you've ever wondered how to see related information from different tables all in one place, this is exactly what joining tables does. In a relational database like Access, you might have a customers table and an orders table. Each customer has a unique identifier, often called customer ID, and that same value appears with each order they've placed. By joining those tables on that shared field, you can view customer details right alongside their orders in a single results list. The easiest and most reliable way to create a join is by building a query. With your database open, head to the Create tab and choose Query Design. Access will show you a window where you can add the tables that contain the data you want to combine. Select the tables you need, click Add for each one, and when you've got them in the window, click Close to return to the design surface. You'll see each table displayed as a small box with its fields listed. Now create the join. Find the field in the first table that matches a field in the second table, typically something like customer ID, and simply drag it from one table and drop it onto the matching field in the other table. As soon as you do that, Access draws a line between them. That line is your join, and it tells Access how to pair up rows from both tables. By default, Access uses a standard inner join, which shows rows where there's a matching value on both sides. If you're just getting started, the default is usually what you want. When you're ready to see the combined data, click Run, the button with the exclamation point on the ribbon. Access will display the results, pulling related information from both tables into one view so you can analyze it, filter it, or use it in a report. If something doesn't look right, it often comes down to the fields not truly matching. The two fields you connect should represent the same thing and generally use the same type of data. A simple way to remember the process is drag a matching field to connect your tables, and know that you can choose the join type if your analysis needs something different later on. That's all there is to it. Create a query, add the tables, drag to connect the matching fields, and run the query to see your joined results. With this approach, you'll be able to bring together related data quickly and confidently in Microsoft Access.